와, 진짜. 와, 방금 미쳤다.
Typhoon Hinnamnor, which could be the most powerful storm to hit the Korean peninsula in 2 decades, is heading towards South Korea and is expected to affect the country through Tuesday, after which it is expected to move north-northeast. According to the Korea Meteorological Administration, Hinnamnor is located 460 kilometers southwest of Seogwipo, Jeju Island. Moving north at a speed of 19 kilometers per hour with an atmospheric pressure of 935 hectopascals at its center, moving faster than previously estimated south of 12 kilometers per hour. The typhoon is currently classified as very strong with maximum wind speeds of at least 49 meters per second or 176 kilometers per hour. Typhoon Hinnamnor is expected to pass 30 kilometers south of the city of Seogwipo on the southern coast of Jeju Island by midnight. It will then approach 90 kilometers west-southwest of Busan at around 6 a.m. Tuesday, the state weather agency said. As it passes Busan, Typhoon Hinnamnor will be slightly weaker, with an atmospheric pressure of 955 hectopascals at its center. But the typhoon will still be one of the strongest the country has ever seen. The lower the hurricane's atmospheric pressure, the faster the wind speed, making the typhoon stronger. Typhoon Hinnamnor is likely to maintain its strength even after passing through the country, the KMA added. With it approaching, the entire country has seen rain and strong winds from Monday, with heavy rain warnings issued for all parts of the country. According to the KMA, South Korea expects an accumulation of between 100 and 300 millimeters of rainfall over the 2-day period. Mountain areas on Jeju Island are expected to receive more than 600 millimeters, while other parts of Jeju and coastal areas in the southern part of the country can receive more than 400 millimeters. The seas off Jeju Island and other coastal areas in the south of the country will experience strong winds of between 14 and 50 mph with waves reaching 3 to 12 meters high. Due to strong winds and rainfall, 140 flights to or from Jeju have been cancelled. Schools on Jeju Island and in the southern region of the country have also decided to switch to online classes until Tuesday.